Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro is close, almost here. And one post that I found very interesting on Reddit was that there are people who still want to see the return of the face unlock that was introduced in the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, as well as dual selfie cameras. And I'm here to say in this video that, to be honest with everybody, I don't think that's a very bad idea. The culmination of all the different googly things brought into one phone. I mean, the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro literally is going with its own chip, so no longer reliant on Qualcomm chipsets at all whatsoever. So that could have been a way to just really kind of bring in the bang with Google's switch up direction, as it almost seemed like they were going to go with higher mid-range and kind of like coast there, which a lot of people speculated that's what the Pixel 6 was going to do. But shocker to everybody, premium material build, you know, good specs so far from what we know. All those things play into the Pixel 6. But then, you know, if it was to have facial recognition unlocked besides in-display fingerprint sensor, and it was to bring back dual selfie cameras to go along with the dual rear camera setup on the Pixel 6 and the triple camera setup on the 6 Pro, that would be like the ultimate smartphone. That'd be overkill. That would, like, you know, definitely ruffle the industry, just completely shake things up. Sadly enough, we do know that these things are not present in the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, but that doesn't mean that Google can't bring that for the Pixel 7. I mean, to be quite honest with everybody, if Google was to say right now, last minute, let's add these things in, I would be against it for this release, only because Google is showcasing its first own in-house built silicon, and I want to see how that goes. That is entirely the reason why that I really want to get a hold of a Pixel 6, is not because it's the newest Pixel, but because it is a Pixel that no longer uses Qualcomm. So I do want to see just how well built that processor chip is. But in order for me to do that, I need to get the phone in hand, which, you know, I'll figure out how I'm going to get it and when I'm going to get it, and be able to kind of do a lot of coverage on it and talk a lot about it. Oh, you know, hopefully I can get it soon, but if not, maybe a few months after release. However, I would just want this launch to be dedicated for the Tensor chip. Be focused on that. And then with the Pixel 7, they can reintroduce previous features found in older Pixel phones and have it culminate into one fantastic, lucky Pixel phone, the Pixel 7, right? So we're talking about reverse wireless charging in the Pixel 7, right? We're talking about a metal body build. While glass is great and everything like that, you guys know how I feel about glass. I would rather have a metal body build. But definitely bring back the reverse wireless charging, bigger battery. Definitely keep focus on photography, but step the game up with videography as they've been doing with the Pixel 5, and bring the dual front-facing cameras, right? A wide angle and a ultra wide angle. Bring back the groupies. Google, bring back the groupies is what I say to Google. And also, let's see what Project Soli does now. Bring Soli into the Pixel 7. I mean, that would be my idea, my plea to Google. I mean, they can do it if they want to, or not do it. That's entirely up to them. They're the ones in control of all this. But these are things that I definitely do want to see in future Pixels. I want to see brought back. I mean, there's not a lot of, you know, smartphone devices that's really going with the dual selfie cams. I mean, they're all focused about a triple cam setup, a quad cam setup. They're all worried about that, but they're not really worried about the selfie cam. All of them still pretty much yield a singular shooter in the front. But where we had the Pixel 3 and the 3 XL, it had dual shooters in the front, single shooter in the back. But why not have a triple camera setup on the back with the Pixel 7 and a dual camera setup in the front and get those ultra wide selfie shots? So that's just me spitballing an idea. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, y'all know what to do. Smash that like button. Would really appreciate that. And yeah, that's it for right now. I'll see you on another one. And as always, aloha. And yeah, I think that's just pretty much it. We out of here.